Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Yes, I am in my tank top again. Guys, it's summer, you know, gotta get the summer bod ready. You know, I do got my protein shake, so that's why I'm in my tank top. I'm about to go to the gym, and but I wanted to make this video super quickly because this is actually pretty insane. I didn't realize this. I made a video yesterday and I wanted to follow up because I totally forgot that something happened and this huge update also happened. So there's just so much to talk about. Basically, Uber CEO Dara is now, he wants drivers to make more money in California and for Uber and also for Lyft too. Even though he doesn't really control that, but he's still lobbying for Lyft drivers too, which is pretty nuts. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna go into the article, but give the video a thumbs up if you want to make more money with Uber, if you support the increase in driver pay for Uber drivers. This is huge news, guys. I'm not exaggerating. If you don't know, Uber and Lyft drivers in California, the California Assembly basically passed a bill for drivers to become employees. And so now the Senate needs to basically decide whether or not that bill is going to go through, because so many drivers are working full-time and relying on you know, Uber for full-time income. So Uber and Lyft responded to that, saying, hey, let's not make drivers employees, let's just pay them more and to keep them independent contractors. Because yeah, as you can see here, let me find this really quickly in the article. Yeah, so as you can see here, Green and Zimmer, these guys are both the Lyft guys, and then but also Dara. They said this. They said very few jobs allow you to start or stop working whenever, wherever, as often as you want. Rather than forcing the companies to become employees, California should embrace an alternative. Let's keep them driving contractors, but guarantee the drivers some minimum pay during the time they're picking up and dropping off passengers. Let's create a company-supported benefits fund for perks like paid time off and establish an association for drivers for further improvements. What do you guys think? What kind of perks do you guys want as independent contractors? If you guys didn't know, Uber and Lyft watch my videos now, so comment down below what you guys want and vote in the comment section on which perk you want, what benefit you want. This is crazy, this is insane. And then also I did want to throw out another thing as well, because yeah, Dara said something also really important, which I do want to show you guys really quickly. And then really quickly, I did want to show you this too. This was also from the Uber and Lyft executives. He says, our companies are no longer upstarts. So the companies are no longer startups. The Uber and Lyft executives wrote on their Wednesday op-ed, which was 2 days ago now. We are companies that tens of millions of people rely on for mobility and for work. If there ever was a time for policies, it's now. So guys, the Uber and Lyft executives, aka Dara and his buddies who work at, you know, the high up at Uber, they're basically backing up drivers and saying, hey, look, you know, we can't make drivers employees because everyone's gonna quit. You know, I mean, not all of them, but most people. We can't like destroy what tens of millions of people have been relying on for work and for mobility, for both passengers and drivers for work. That's us, you and me. So, or if you're a passenger, I mean, I'm also a passenger technically. But yeah, sorry, I gotta finish up my protein shake here. This is absolutely crazy though. I really hope that something big happens. I mean, it's already pretty big, but you know, I wanted to kind of report before, and then I'm gonna do that after, once the bill gets passed or once California and Uber do make a compromise. So let me know down below, what do you guys think? What kind of perks do you guys want for driver perks? Do you want more pay? Do you want gas fuel incentives? Do you want the right to organize as a union? Do you want unionization? Do you want a guaranteed minimum pay for when you're picking up and dropping off passengers? Do you want a scheduled week? Do you want a week where, you know, they give you a schedule? I personally don't, but maybe you guys do. You know, or do you just want, I don't know, the app to be easier for more passengers or less drivers? I don't know. Maybe they should stop hiring more drivers. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll talk to y'all soon. Again, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you support increase in driver pay. I will talk to y'all soon. Subscribe for more videos. All right, bye guys. Peace.